Sairan children. So in today's English session, we're going to start with the revision. Children, we have already completed with our portion for English. You will be having your essay 2 in the month of March. Okay, and the portion for that would be in New Voices, you're going to have chapter 11, chapter 13, chapter 14, and chapter 15. Children, please note down this portion in your rough notebook. New Voices, you'll be having chapter 11, that is Friends. Chapter 13, Robot with a Virus. Chapter 14 will be My Shadow, and chapter 15, The Ugly Duckling. Yes, these are the 4 chapters you're going to have for your essay 2. Then in active English, you'll have chapter 18, 19, 20, 22, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. In grammar, you'll be having tenses, articles, adverbs, prepositions, interjections. Yes, and in composition, you'll have unseen passage and summary writing. Okay, so this is the portion for your essay 2 exam. Now, today we're going to start with the revision of new voices and composition, and in the second part, we'll do active English and grammar. Okay, so let's begin. The first question would be choose the correct synonyms of. Now children, again here this essay 2 exam is going to be MCQ based like you had your other exams. You have to read the question carefully and select the correct answer by clicking on it. Okay, so this is again the paper pattern, the type of questions that would be asked in your exams. You have to read the lessons thoroughly, understand the lesson thoroughly so that any question asked can be answered by you. Okay, so the first question would be choose the correct synonyms of. Synonyms means meaning. Suspicious. Suspicious. So what's the meaning of suspicious? The options given are doubtful, undoubtful, belief. Yes, so the correct option would be doubtful. Yes. The second one is notion. Notion. So what is the meaning of notion? Truth, idea or work. Yes, the correct answer would be idea. Clear children? Children, you have to be very thorough with your textbook. There are meanings given in your textbook also. You need to know everything so that you are able to answer any question that is asked in the exam. Okay, let's go to the next question. The second question would be choose the correct antonyms of. Antonyms means opposites. First one is aware. Aware. So what would be the opposite of aware? The options given here are knowing, unaware, informed. Yes, the correct answer is unaware. Okay. The next one is happy. So what would be the opposite of happy? Unhappy, joyful, excited. Yes, very good. The opposite of happy would be unhappy. Yes, you just have to click on the right answer, read the question thoroughly, understand what is being asked, and then answer. Choose the correct past tense of. Now we have to give the past tense of the words given here. Freeze. So what would be the past tense of freeze? Cold, froze, freezed. What would be the past tense of freeze? Yes, the past tense of freeze is froze. Catch. The next word is catch. So what will be the past tense of catch? Caught, catched, drop. Caught, catched or drop. Yes, the past tense of catch is caught. Yes, I hope it is clear till here. Let's move ahead. The next question would be choose the correct rhyming words of the words given. Rhyming words means Words that sound the same. Okay. So the rhyming word for glee would be see, gleefully, gleaming. The ending sound of the words have to be C. Those words are called rhyming words, right? So what will be the rhyming word for glee? Exactly. Glee means, the rhyming word of glee is see. Glee, see. The next one is things. So what would be the rhyming word for things? Wings, things, or thanks? Yes, the rhyming word of things would be wings. Clear? Let's go to the next one. Choose whether true or false. Okay, read the statement, understand, and you are going to tell me whether the statement is true or false. Okay, Ricky's parents agreed to send the robot away. Ricky's parents agreed to send the robot away. Is this right? Did Ricky's parents agree to send the robot away? No, they did not agree, right? So this statement is false. Clear? Let's see the next statement. The ugly duckling had yellow feathers. The ugly duckling had yellow feathers. Did the ugly duckling have yellow feathers? No, it had gray feathers, right? So again, this statement here is wrong. So false. Clear? Let's go to the next question. Choose who said the following to whom. Okay. Read the statement and understand and decide who said the following statement to whom. Did I count the eggs incorrectly? Did I count the eggs incorrectly? The options are Mother Duck said to herself. The second option is the ugly duckling said to Mother Duck. Now tell me who said this. Very good. Mother Duck said to herself. Yes. So let's click the answer. Okay. Let's go to the next question. The second one is I did not know it was bothering you. I did not know it was bothering you. So who said this? The options are Ricky said to the butler Robert or the butler Robert said to Ricky. Yes, the correct option is the butler Robert said to Ricky. Yes, let's move to the next one. Choose a correct answer in one word. Okay, this is answer in one word. The answers are given to you. You just have to click the correct answer. What was too clean? What was too clean? Ricky's clothes or Ricky's bedroom? Yes, Ricky's bedroom was too clean. Okay. What does the speaker compare his shadow to when it does not wake up? What does the speaker compare his shadow to when it does not wake up? Does he compare his shadow to errant sleepyhead or does he compare his shadow to a buttercup? Buttercup is a flower, right? So, what does he compare his shadow with? Yes, errant sleepyhead is the correct answer. Clear? Now let's move to the next question. Choose the correct answer in one sentence. Now we're going to do answer in one sentence. Okay? The answers are given to you. You just have to select the correct answer. How many eggs were there in the nest? How many eggs were there in the nest? There were 4 eggs in the nest. There were 5 eggs in the nest. Yes, the correct answer is there were 5 eggs in the nest. Clear? Let's go to the next one. What did Ricky's parents do that pleased him very much? What did Ricky's parents do that pleased him very much? They bought him a butler Robert or they helped him with his homework. What did they do that made Ricky so happy? Yes, they bought him her butler robot. Yes, they bought him a butler robot. Yes, children. Now let's go to the next question. Choose the correct answer in brief. Now read the question properly. Answer in brief means a little bigger answer. Options will be given to you. You just have to select the correct suitable answer. Okay. What did the robot do with the things he took away? What did the robot do with the things he took away? Now the options given here are: the robot sent the things he had taken to places where other humans could use them. The robot sent the things he had taken to places where other humans could use them. The second option is: the robot hid all the things he had taken in his cupboard. The robot hid all the things he had taken in his cupboard. Now, which is the correct suitable answer according to you? Yes, we have read the lesson. We know what the story is about. So the correct answer would be: the robot sent the things he had taken to places where other humans could use them. Clear? Understood, children? Okay, now let's move to the next. Choose the correct answer to fill the blanks. Now we're going to the composition part. We have unseen passage and we have summary writing. Okay, now for writing the summary, we have learned certain rules, certain steps that we have to follow. So let's see whether you remember it. Summary writing means to retell a story or passage in dash, in short or in long. So what is summary writing? Do you all remember this? Yes. Summary writing means to retell a story or a passage in short. Summary writing means to retell a story or a passage in short. Yes. Let's see the next question. Writing a story or the main points of a passage in short is known as: writing a story or the main parts of a passage in short is known as summary writing. Yes. Now the next question would be: read the following passage carefully. Now there is a passage given here. Read it carefully. Read it maybe once or twice. Understand what is being told in the passage and make a mental note of everything, and then you're going to answer the questions. Again here answers are given to you. Multiple answers are given. You just have to select the correct answer. Okay. Let's read the passage. Animals eat plants and other animals. Animals can be grouped under 4 categories depending on the kind of food habits. Okay, let's read it again. Animals eat plants and other animals. Animals can be grouped under 4 categories depending on the kind of food habits. Animals that eat plants are called herbivores. Cow, sheep, giraffe are some herbivorous animals. Carnivores are animals that eat flesh of other animals. Animals like lion, tiger, etc. are carnivorous animals. Clear, children? Animals that eat plants are called herbivores. What are the examples? Cow, sheep, giraffe are some of the herbivorous animals. Carnivores are animals that eat flesh of other animals. So animals like lion, tiger, etc. are carnivorous animals. Some birds eat flesh are called scavengers. One second. Okay. So some birds eat flesh are called scavengers. Eagle and vulture are scavengers. Animals that eat plants and flesh of other animals. Both are called omnivores. Bear, crow, cockroach are omnivores. Okay, children, let's read this passage again. Some birds eat flesh are called scavengers. For example, eagle and vulture are scavengers. Animals that eat plants and flesh of other animals, both are called omnivores. Bear, crow, cockroach are omnivores. Okay. Now let's go to the questions. Sorry, one more line is there. Parasites are small insects or animals. Fleas, leeches, and bugs are some parasites. Okay, parasites are small insects or animals. Fleas, leeches, and bugs are some parasites. Okay, now let's go to the question. I hope you have understood the paragraph well. In the exam also read the paragraph 2 times so that you understand it well and then you can answer the questions asked. Select the correct option to answer the following questions. Select the correct option to answer the following question. The question is, what are herbivores? What are herbivores? The answers given here are, animals that eat plants are called herbivores. Animals that eat flesh of other animals are called herbivores. Now tell me, which one do you feel is the correct answer? Yes, animals that eat plants are called herbivores, right? We just now read that animals that eat plants are called herbivores. So let's click the first answer. Yes, now let's go to the next question. What are carnivores? What are carnivores? Animals such as small insects like fleas and bugs, or animals that eat flesh of other animals. Now tell me children, what are carnivores? Animals such as small insects like fleas and bugs, or animals that eat flesh of other animals? Yes, animals that eat flesh of other animals, right? So let's click the second option. Clear? Let's go to the third one. What are scavengers? What are scavengers? Animals that eat both plants and flesh of other animals are called scavengers. Or birds like eagle and vulture that eat flesh are called scavengers. Now tell me, which one would be the correct answer? Animals that eat both plants and animals, or birds like eagle and vulture that eat flesh? Yes, birds like eagle and vulture that eat flesh are called scavengers. So again, the second option is the correct answer. Clear, children? Yes, I hope you all have followed this. You all have understood. This is the pattern of questions that is going to be asked in your SE2, right? It would be the same questions. It will be based on the same pattern. The paper pattern would be the same. The questions can be different. So children, you have to read your lessons and the poems thoroughly, understand them. Okay, go through the entire textbook. You have to be thorough with your textbook so that any question is asked in your exam, you will be able to answer it. I hope everything is clear, children. Do study. All the best. Let's meet in our next class. Okay, sign out.